Discover how to transform a traditional comfort food into a keto-friendly delight with our Keto Shepherd's Pie recipe. Perfect for any weather, this dish combines savory meat, veggies, and creamy cauliflower mash topped with melty cheese, all while keeping it low-carb. Get ready for a cozy meal that satisfies the whole family without breaking the bank. Ingredient overview. You'll need 1/3 cup chopped yellow onions, 1/2 cup chopped carrots, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 pound ground sirloin, seasonings including salt, black pepper, and garlic, 2 teaspoons, Worcestershire sauce, 2 portions of low-carb cauliflower mash, and 1/4 cup shredded cheddar cheese. These ingredients not only keep carbs low but also provide a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. Recipe steps breakdown. Step 1. Begin your culinary journey by preheating your oven to a cozy 350 degrees. Dive into prepping your onions and carrots, chopping them into bite-sized morsels. This simple prep, taking less than 10 minutes, sets the stage for the rich flavors to come. Step 2. In a welcoming large skillet, let the butter melt into a warm pool, then introduce the onion and carrot duo. Watch as they dance in the butter, with the onions turning a translucent hue, signaling they're just right. This step not only adds layers of flavor, but also begins to meld the textures that define our dish. Step 3. Now, it's time to welcome the ground sirloin to the pan, a move that brings heartiness and a substantial protein punch to our pie. Season the mix with salt, pepper, and a hint of garlic to infuse it with depth and character. Cook until the beef transforms to a beautifully browned crumble, perfectly cooked through, laying the foundation for our pie. Step 4. With our meaty base ready, it's time to layer. Choose a baking dish as the canvas for your culinary creation. Pour in the sirloin mix, letting it settle before drizzling Worcestershire sauce over it for that tangy kick. Crown this with a layer of creamy cauliflower mash, a genius low-carb stand-in for the traditional potato topping, adding smoothness and richness. Step 5. As if it couldn't get any better, it's cheese time. Sprinkle a generous layer of shredded cheddar cheese over the cauliflower mash, setting the stage for a golden, melty crust that promises to be the highlight. Step 6. Place your masterpiece in the oven, letting it bake to bubbling perfection in 25 minutes. Then, grant it a grand finale under the broiler for 5 minutes, achieving a golden, crispy top that's simply irresistible. In just 40 minutes from start to glorious finish, you've prepared a dish that comfortably serves 6, making it ideal for a satisfying family meal or ensuring delicious leftovers for the week ahead. Serving suggestions. Serve this heartwarming Keto Shepherd's Pie hot, garnished with fresh parsley for a pop of color and freshness. Pair with a simple green salad or steamed broccoli for a complete, nutritious meal. Leftovers store well in the fridge, making this dish ideal for meal prep, ensuring a satisfying, low-carb meal is always within reach. Conclusion. In under an hour and for just over $8, enjoy a comforting, keto-friendly version of the classic shepherd's pie. This dish proves that sticking to your dietary goals doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or comfort. Perfect for families, it's a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on nutrition or taste. Try making this Keto Shepherd's Pie and experience comfort food at its best, keto style. Share how it turned out for you or any personal tweaks you made in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious, budget-friendly keto recipes. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more low-carb delights that are easy on the wallet.